Callista, ready? Yummy. Callista's having sweet potatoes and oatmeal. Huh. Such a good girl. Of course she has to be playing with something because she constantly has to be entertained. Because she's one smart cookie, she is. Honey, here. Yum. See? Oh, she's doing a good job. Callista. Callista Jean. Callista's 5.5 months old. And this is because she wants something to play with. There you go. Ready? See, she'll eat if she has something to play with. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Callista, hey. 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 Callista Jean. Open. Open. Yum. Yum. Ready? Ready? Oh, yummy. Yummy. Now she's getting pissed because she's not doing what it wants it to do. Callista. Callista Jean. Hey. Let mommy have that. Let mommy have that. Here. Yeah. Is that yummy? Those hands just keep getting everywhere. Huh? Callista. Hey. Look at the camera. Say hi, honey. See, and our food always ends up all over the place. Here. Let me have that. Oh. Oh. Here. Callista, sweetheart. You gonna grab your clothes? Oh, hey, honey. Honey. This is life right now. Huh? We just have to get into everything. Everything. Because we are curious. There you go. Alright. Well, I think mommy's gonna focus on feeding that little honey. Before she gets too upset. And that concludes that.